Okay. Well, here's day 13. They were just moving around a whole lot. 2 already got to the faucets. And the other 2 are just getting there now. Mom's doing a little cleanup. Oh, we can hear them a little. Let me get a little closer. There they go. Yeah, I think that's Banner and probably Spangle underneath. There's Star on the right and Sparkle on the left. Yeah, hey Mom. Let's take, oh, there they go. Let's pull back a little bit. And, hey, Halo. Halo. She's like, I'm hot. We just went for a walk in the forest. I know, baby. Oh, it's hard work being a mama, huh? Yeah, uh-oh. Oh, she's going to try to lay down without squishing someone, but pretty sure there's somebody under there. This is about the time when the tails start wagging when they nurse. Yeah. Okay. Last few days we've just mostly been eating and sleeping, so there wasn't much to videotape. Got some cute pictures coming though. Okay. Bye-bye.